Broccoli. Now, repeat after me. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Meaning, broccoli is a green vegetable with a thick stalk and a dense cluster of tiny buds on top, resembling a small tree. It is commonly eaten steamed, boiled, or added to stir fries and salads. In a sentence, she steamed broccoli as a healthy side dish for dinner. Here, broccoli refers to the vegetable she cooked for her meal. Let's try another example. The chef added fresh broccoli to the stir fry for extra crunch and nutrition. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using broccoli. Synonyms. Some related terms for broccoli are cruciferous vegetable, a group of vegetables including broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Floret, a single piece of broccoli or cauliflower. Antonyms. The opposite of broccoli would be none. As broccoli is a specific vegetable, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Broccoli is a noun referring to a green vegetable with edible stalks and florets. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.